Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2019 video tutorial. I want to do the kettlebell exercise in Inventor. Again, different to the other versions, because I have always to use the tools which are available to me. So, let's have fun with Inventor. So let's start with our usual sketch. Maybe on the XY plane I need a circle. Diameter should be 200, for example. And I will need a line to trim that circle. So go for a vertical line. Align it to the center with coincident, then make this a center line. Now trim. Okay, and finish that sketch. Let's make a revolve with that sketch and confirm. I could hide this. Okay. I want to use a copy of that sketch, so we'll copy and paste it to the XY plane. I want to edit this one. That one should be for construction only. I need two circles. This could be 100 diameter, and another one 100 diameter, and those two should be not for construction. Make them tangent, and then I need some lines to trim, and these could be construction lines, so that's okay. Maybe like this, and another one maybe like that. Then trim. I want to trim this and that. Now that point here should be on this one. Now I could arrange this a little bit, maybe like that, whatever you want. Okay, finish that sketch as well. Let's make a sweep, but for the sweep I will need another plane which is normal to that curve. So go for a plane, select the point and the curve, then go for a sketch on this plane, and I need that point inside my sketch. So go project geometry, select that point. Now make a circle. Diameter might be 20. Let's see, that might be too much, so let's go for 15. 20 is okay. Finish that sketch and then make a sweep, and that sweep should be a new body, and the path is this one, and confirm. I could hide that work plane, and let's show our two bodies. Now I want to subtract this body 2, solid 2 from solid 1. So go for a combine and keep tool body and make a cut, and that's the base and that's the tool body. And okay, so I got those holes, but maybe I should before do a shell. So we'll move this up and do a shell. I don't want to remove faces, and I will go for 2 mm because with 1 mm it will not work. So that's the solid, and okay. So he could not create a new shell. Amazing. Why? Let's take a look. This body should be shelled. Oh, sorry, you don't have to select that one. That's rubbish. So just go for those 2 mm and confirm. Then it's shelled. You don't have to select that face. That would be causing that error. Now move this back. Now I got those holes. In order to trim the other body, I need some faces, and I will create those faces with a patch. So we'll go for a boundary loop here on the inside, make it tangent condition, apply, and then another one over here on the outside, again make it tangent, and okay. Now let's hide that body and show this body, and now I can trim that body with those two surfaces. So go for split, go to trim solid, and the split tool would be this one, apply, and then that one. Solid, of course, is this one. Change the side and confirm. Nice. I could hide those two. Now I want to shell this one. Shell. Go for 2 mm thickness. Select this face and that face. And okay. Now let's show the other body. And combine those two. And with 1 mm that combine would not work. So maybe 1.5 will work, but 1 mm didn't work. So in this case I don't want to keep the tool body, I want to make a union, a join. That would be the base and that the tool body, and confirm. Now in order to make the fillets, I will go for a section view, half section view, select XY plane, confirm. Now I can do my fillets. So go for 3D model, fillet. I will go for 5 mm. First on this edge, on the inside of that, those two, and here again on the inside first. Apply, and you could go for 7 on the outside or 5, whichever you want. And inside outside I mean in relation to the fillet I want to create. So this one and that edge, apply, and then you could of course make a fillet here if you want, and up there as well. Okay, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one, If you want to see more, or if you liked it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. I want to get more subscriptions and likes over there as well. Would be very nice of you. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.